Hey, what's up? It's your girl Des, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Woo! Today we are doing the Jhene Aiko braids. I know you guys seen Jhene Aiko. She got a little curl at the end. That's exactly what we're doing today. These are originally called big knotless braids, but today we're gonna call them Jhene Aiko braids. I have already did some of them in the back. You know, I just had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to get used to it for a little minute. And they look really good so far. And I'm just going to finish the rest on camera. So go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. I don't want to drag it out. So first off, we are starting with a comb, some of this Lotta body edge gel. You guys, I use this for pretty much every protective hairstyle I do. And you're gonna need one pack of this Expression Hair by African Collection. It's the 3 triple pack value. You will need some good old scissors or shears, some mousse and spritz, some good old rubber bands, Flexi Rods, and some hair clips. To start this hairstyle, I am going to start by gathering up 5 medium-sized chunks of this braiding hair, and my ends are already tapered. If you guys would like to see how I tapered my ends, make sure you go and check out my box braid tutorial. I explain it a lot better on that. Before we start braiding, we are going to comb this section out and taking our Lotta body edge gel, and we are going to just put it on that section, you know, smooth down all those frizzy hairs and give our hair a little polished look at the roots, if you get what I mean. Okay, you guys, this is a little tricky, but just bear with me. We are taking our real hair and we are plaiting our real hair. And make sure you do not plait it all the way down. Plait it like 4 times before you start adding your braiding hair. We are taking that braiding hair and we are putting it in between our 2 fingers, and we're letting that one leg of extension hair rest on our head, and we are just going to braid normally. You see? Now we add that first leg and we add it to our top section of hair as we braid in. Again, we take our braiding hair, we put it in between our 2 fingers, we let that one leg rest on top of our heads, we braid 1, 2, and then we grab our first leg and combine it with our top section. Okay, in between our fingers, rest on our head, braid, combine that top leg with that top section, and there we go. And right now I'm just gonna hush and let you guys see exactly what I did, because I know a lot of us are visual learners, and yeah. Okay, as you are braiding, make sure you are taking some of that Lotta body edge control and you are smoothing out your hair as you braid. Also, make sure you are untangling your hair as you go. That way you won't be left with a huge mess at the end. towards the end, make sure you guys leave, you know, a good amount of hair at the bottom so we can wave this. We are going to take one side of that braiding hair and we are wrapping it around that braid, and we are going to take a little piece of that opposite side and we just gonna tie it together just like this. And I just went ahead and trimmed these frizzy ends, but you can always wait until the end. You don't have to do it right away. Also, I would like to apologize because no, I did not part my own hair. My mom parted it for me because I wanted this triangle look, you know, just like Jhene Aiko. So if you need help parting, get someone to do it for you. I just want to add, if you guys want your hair longer than this, make sure you use more than 5 chunks of hair. And if you want your hair shorter than this, make sure you use less chunks of hair. With our Flexi Rods, you want to curl your hair in a loose pattern because we don't want curls, we just want waves. So I try not to, you know, curl my hair too tight. I just try to do it loose, that way I am getting a wave instead of a curl. And you guys can use wavy crochet hair for this part, but honestly, I wanted some hair that was nice and flowy, and as you may know, crochet hair is synthetic, so this is why I did this method instead. And you already know what time it is. We are dipping our hair, and dip it as far as you can as possible. Try not to leave your hair in too long because it will crinkle up, like I said in the box braid tutorial. Now you will add your mousse and your spritz to your scalp as well as your braids. I'm taking these black paper wraps and I am just wrapping up my hair with them. And you guys, this is to mold your hair. And we done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for this next video because it's about to get lit, okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.